Hey guys, welcome back. So, in today's video, we will go through how you can save LibreOffice Writer as PDF. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Now you finish with your document and you want to save in PDF. So, ordinarily, you will go here to File and you will hit Save As. Then you will want to find it right here, save as a type, and when you open up this drop down menu, you won't see PDF right here. So how you can save it in PDF? Now it's other options available. So you will go here to File, and down below here you will find Export As. And now if you hover over with your mouse, you will see export as PDF, export directly as PDF, export as EPUB. This doesn't. So export as PDF, click on that. And here you can set everything as you want. So range is all, image included, general PDF version. You can set up the version here, structure. When you are happy with that, just hit OK, export, and save it. Now, if we go here, you will see here that we exported as PDF. So I will open up this. Let's go with that one. And as you can see, now we have our document in PDF right over here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.